Check.
Macaroni cheese.
This is the cheese. Check.
Milk.
Check.
And salt and pepper.
Check. And cornstarch.
Check. For a healthy bun with a heart on it.
So you're gonna make macaroni and cheese in a cup, right?
Yeah.
So fill this with pasta.
Okay.
No, just push the measuring cup in there. Put that in the cup. Okay. Okay, now we put this in the microwave for 3.5 minutes. We're gonna put our ingredients for the sauce in this little bowl. We need 4 tablespoons of cheese. We need 4 tablespoons of milk. Put it all in. All right, now we need a 1/4 teaspoon of this. So we need one of those. That's good, perfect. Put it in. Go. Good. Now we're gonna mix it up a little bit. Put it in the microwave for another 60 seconds. Pull it out, stir it up, and you should have macaroni and cheese.
How's it taste?
Again.
Delicious. Macaroni and cheese in a cup.